So, ano bang gagawin natin today?
Buko pandan.
Buko pandan kasi buko. But you know what? You can put also buko in fruit salad. Yeah, it's so yummy too. So, nakakatuwa tong kulay ng buko. Yung buko juice niya, tinan nyo. Pero masarap siya, malasa, no?
Pero parang tingnan, ihi.
Oo nga, parang ano siya, ihi. So, ayan, in our buko pandan, we have to put one evap milk. Ayan, buo yan, baby, no? So, ito ata half lang nilalagay mo. Half ng condensed. And then, we will try kung hindi ganun kalasa, we will put some Nestle cream na 2 can. Ayan. So, yan. Buti lang merong ganito si Dexy. Although, hindi to galing sa Pilipinas, yung pangkayod niya. So, yan. So, siya yung nagkayod ng buko. And then, tulungan ko na lang siya sa mga part na yun. And then, we will put some pandan. Ito,
Look how soft this buko is.
Pandan flavor.
Ma, look how nice it is.
Oh, yeah. That's so soft, right?
This is its partner, this one.
Hi, Dexa. Ano siya, malambot. Kasi itong buko na to na isa din hindi eh.
This one, these two, cherry.
So, yun lang naman ang ingredients natin. No, be? That's the only thing that we put in our buko pandan.
Except for the sago.
And then, I'm cooking the sago na pala here. So, I'll show you. Yung sago.
And the jelly.
Oh, yeah! We have a jelly! Kalimutan namin so niluluto ko na siya. I think we have jelly. We have? Oh, kalimutan ko na. Okay.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Natin kung may jelly. Oh, buti lang may jelly kami, guys. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Di ko nilista yan, honestly. Oh, hindi ko nilista. So, yan. So, gabi na. Hurry up, guys. Para makatulog tayo maaga. So, we have a visitor tomorrow.
This is yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, great.
Galing sa Red Deer, ang aming kumpare at kumare will be arriving. So, napagawa kami ng buko pandan just to share with them also. So, yan. Busy kami ngayon. And then, I'm cooking also for our hot pot. Yan, may maingay na to. Nagka-hot pot na kami. Yes, baby. Oh, DG. So, what video?
The popcorn.
Ah, did you watch that? Oh.
I went in the house and we saw it.
What?
Saw it.
What? You saw that they're watching the popcorn? And Horen is there? Oh.
And the baby knows what I.
Oh, yeah. So, yun. Pakuluin ko to ng 20 minutes. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, 20 minutes siya na high. So, hinay ko na lang. So, a total of 20 minutes. So, tulungan ko. Dexa, you're eating your biscuit. Tulungan ko si Dexy gumawa na ng ganito para mabilis kami.
It looks like, oh, actually, before,
siya, yeah.
no, now it looks like noodles. Kasi this looks like green onions.
So, medyo, ano na,
Gumanda
na siya. Kumbaga
Throw
ganun.
up kanina.
Yan. So, si Dexy nang nagbukas nito, marunong na siya gumawit ng electric can opener.
I used to be so scared of that.
Yeah. And then, siya na ang nagkakat nito. Careful ka, baby, eh.
You're jiggling it around.
Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Siya yung nagkakat ng jelly. So, yung jelly na binibili namin eh, yung can. Hindi ko pala na ipakita, no? Where is that? I'll show you guys. Napong ko na. Careful, Dexa! Oh, no. You have to get that one. Yeah. Okay, so ito yung ginagamit na.
Guys, welcome to
jelly.
Dexy Cook Soup.
It's not soup. Bukas ang soup. So, may party nga kami, naka-ready na to. Para tomorrow, ano na lang, magluluto na lang ako.
No, welcome to Dexy Cook Soup. This is called dessert soup. Up. Customer.
There's a customer. So, ito yun, pandan, nakalagay din. Pero parang ano to hindi gawa sa Philippines, kundi gawa siya sa product of Taiwan. O Taiwan pa pala siya. So, ito yung ginagamit nga namin na jelly. Hindi na kami nagluluto kasi hindi nga kami marunong. So,
Last time we made it, it was a total fail.
Yeah. So, ito, kahit papalo is medyo perfect na siya.
Next, here you go. Jelly shrimp.
So, ito yun. May tapong pa na. Just to show you guys. And then, magmi-mix na kami ng mga ganito. Yung mga ingredients namin. Yan, lagay ko na din.
Off with a little bit of spring onions, so I cut some more green onions for our soup.
Oh, soup ka dyan. Hindi naman soup.
So now we're gonna mix our soup. As you see, I am mixing the soup very lightly so we don't damage the noodles.
Soup. Okay, sige, ikaw na maglagay nito. Sige na. Yung ano mo, evap mo, pakibuksan mo dito, baby. Yeah. Just
You only need
show
1/2
them.
cup for each.
Okay.
1/2 cup lang ito, or half. Yun yung natin sinabi ko, kasi we
Oh,
have a
half.
lot of this, baka full na.
No, it's okay.
Then 1/2 cup
Oo.
lang.
Mas gusto ko kasi maraming buko. Kaya ganun lang yung ano namin na 2 buko lang daw eh. Mas maganda naman yung marami siyang buko. Okay. Open it here, baby.
Then how much?
Yeah. Yeah. Open it here.
Then hindi natin makukulit kasi 1/2 cup lang ito.
Ah, okay. 1/2 cup lang.
Green, you have the white, you have the pink.
Ah,
Dango.
okay. Careful So, careful sa kamay mo, babe. Okay.
No taste yum.
Sabi ko 2 siguro ilagay mong ganyan. So, tingin mo.
We try later.
Bakit naman ginaganyan mo? There! Oh, diba?
How dare you.
Siguro isa na yung ilagay mong evap, B. Di kasya yung ano. Kasi dumami yung ano mo ngayon, coconut.
Coconut.
I think 2 nga. 2 na ilagay mo. For sure na ako. 2 ilagay mo.
Okay, I go grab more coconut. But first, I put all of it.
Yes.
Guys, so... Oh
So,
no,
yan,
it's
ito.
not looking like soup anymore.
Ilagay na siya ng Nestle cream. So, ilagay niya na itong evap.
I think I'm using the wrong size of this.
So, Ate Dexy, 12 years old siya. Magawa na siya ng ganito. Ate. Na.
Hi, what's up?
Kaya na nang gumawa.
I can cook.
She can cook. She can do
I
this.
can bake.
She can bake. Tinigilan nating nag-bake eh, kasi si daddy mo eh.
Daddy, mine.
Yung ano
Ganito
nito.
yung sinulakita mo na, diba?
Yeah. Okay, this one, half lang. Let's try. Kahit hindi mo na ganyan siguro. Oh, okay. Kasi nawala na yung ano natin eh, yung sukat natin. Okay, kasi nag-add kami ng yan, nag-half siya daw lang. Pero try namin yung lasa niya nga. Flavor.
Don't mind the fact that I'm using not a spatula but or a spoon but a knife. It's what was right beside me. And it's already dirty and it's already a bit washed, so I'm too lazy.
Okay. Yan, so lasahan muna namin kung need pa namin maglagay ng... Bigay na natin to kay Daddy. Daddy, ito na lang last, please. Thank you. Everything is good na. Yan. Later. Okay lang kung yan na lang. Mag-ano ka na para makatulog na tayo. Dexy, isa pang ganyan. So, 2 nilagay namin guys na Nestle cream para lumasa siya. And then, I think, Yun nga sabi ko, Dexie. We need to add more condense for sure.
I can't do it anymore.
Okay. Okay. Yun nga, dalawa na ilagay namin ganito. Dex, how are you doing?
Does this have no other extension?
Yeah. Okay. So, kapag maglagay ka, sige pa. Okay pa po. Okay, tingnan natin yung pagka-green niya.
I feel like I'm making something. This is really fit for Halloween, guys. Witch's brew. Label it.
Okay, I think that one is enough na.
Label it
tingin
a
mo.
witch's brew.
Yan. So, medyo nag-green na siya kanina. Medyo...
Label this the witch's brew. For witches and witches alike.
Yan.
Witches and witches alike. Only the evil
Lalapot
witches.
naman to pagka lagay natin siya sa fridge. And then, lagyan mo na siya ng...
Where's my tasting bowl and tasting spoon?
Yeah. Ito yung ano mo. Malaki masyado yun, anak. It's too big. Kuha ka lang ng platito, please. Nilasahan ko siya, pero parang kulang siya ng tamis. Although, yun nga. O, try mo muna konti. No, try mo. Ano at? Kulang ng tamis, no? O, sabi ko sa'yo eh. It's okay. Okay? O, next na po. Okay, next na. O, yan. Nagdagan namin nga ng condense kasi kulang siya ng tamis. Sa tingin mo, okay na yan?
Yeah. Too much
Enough?
condensed, not good. We cannot change that. We have nothing to add.
Yeah.
We have no more buko. Yun yung bakit yung ano yan. Dapat munit natin ng konti ilagay para slowly lang. Yeah, emergency kasi yun, ma.
Kaya nga, yun.
Nalagay nyo na.
Saan? Kailan?
Yung juice. Buko juice.
Oh, it's okay.
That's an emergency exit, right?
Okay. So, try mo ulit. Dad? Mas maganda yan ngayon? Oo. Medyo... Yeah. The table is, bababa natin. Tomorrow na. Yan na, okay na. So, yan. Lalasahan ko. Yan. That's perfect. Hindi ganun katamis. Malasa kasi nga dalawa yung cream. Hindi ganun katamis. Uy! Ayan. So, almost, hindi naman buo to. Nailagay namin. At least na. Tama na, anak, gabi na po. Magkakasakit kayo ng tummy nyo, please. Ayan. Magkaka-tummy ache ka mamaya. Gabi na kasi. Dexa, you give Dexa. She will try. Pero wag ilagay dyan yung Gabi na, mga anak ko. Ano na natin to tomorrow. Nalapot pa to kasi ilalagay namin sa fridge. Oh my goodness. Problema ko yung fridge natin parang hindi na malagyan. I-arrange lang natin. Okay. Ayun ang buko pandan namin. Gabi na. Sleep na kami mamaya.